Welcome back to Guns from a Messy Desk. Dave over here, Alex over here. I'm going to try to shut the hell up this entire review because I have no clue what's in the box. Go, Dave.
Okay, it's a pair of 4 1/4-inch Colt Pythons.
Colt Pythons. I'm going to I'm going to try to shut the hell up, but let's look at it. Get it out, man.
Let's look at
do
it. Okay. Got the letter from the Colt Custom Shop here, all signed by the director with the seal and everything. These guns have B+ coverage, expert level, factory hand engraved by John Adams.
Who's John Adams? Like the John Adams that used to work here?
No, this guy has talent.
Oh. So, John, if you're watching this,
Not here to defend
funny.
himself. Now, we're not going to be spinning cylinders around and whatnot because these guns are mostly pretty to look at. You can take them out and shoot them, but you don't want to be scarring them up. Whoever buys them can scar them up if they want. But
all right,
we have 2 of these with consecutive serial numbers.
Can I open it, or do you have to open it?
No, you can open it.
Yes.
Just be careful you don't rip the end flap.
Just because I don't know anything about it doesn't mean I can't open it.
No, it doesn't. And here's the end label.
Is it Vanna White, maybe? It's Vanna White.
Got to drop a few.
What's that supposed to mean? Isn't Vanna White? Is that Wheel of Fortune?
Yes, it is.
God, I'm so good at this. All right, we're going to find out what this thing looks like because it seems like it's really, really inexpensive. Coming with all this stuff. Seems like it would be really easy to purchase. Colt,
Yeah, change back from your $6,000 bill.
Yeah, we're fine.
For one.
We're fine. It's not a problem. All right, blue custom shop box, right? Only Colts come in that box if they're in the custom shop.
Yep.
Okay. Booyah. Come on. Come take a look. Get in there all nice and deep like. All right.
I believe they've got AAA
walnut.
Turkish walnut grips on them as well with silver Colt medallions.
All right. So look, no turning cylinder. Look, open. Good. Safety, please. You can't yell at me now. All right. All hand engraved. AAA walnut. John Adams. B+ coverage. Consecutive serial numbered.
Yep, they're a pair.
Again, hand engraved. Go get another one somewhere else. We have it right here. I'm not sure if this is going to hit the website. This might be an in-store only thing. I'm not sure.
They won't last long.
It won't last long. Here, let's go and we'll lay it down and I'll flip it on one side and the other side and you can just go over the whole thing after I get done Google all over it. All right. I'll lay it right here. Check it out. So, we've got some really, really neat Colts in this year, Dave, and this is no exception. So, who's John Adams? Like, is there a lot of engravers at Colt right now?
No, there's one master engraver whose name escapes me at the moment. And then there's just a couple, 3, I think, expert engravers. And John Adams is one of them. We see a lot of his stuff.
We do.
And he just does excellent work.
So I can't imagine that there's a lot of these grips out there, even with the walnut, the AAA, right?
AAA Turkish walnut.
Turkish walnut with the medallion on it. Can't imagine they're pumping these grips out too. Those have to be kind of one-offs every time they're doing a higher end build like this.
Yep.
You want to see the other side of it real quick so they can check it out?
The other side's pretty as well.
You can see it's all through here, all through the back. Flip this over. Get this thing out of the way. I know all you Colt guys like this orange.
The orange stop sign?
Yeah, the orange stop
baby.
sign. Like don't mess with that, all right? So it's so nice that we have it twice here. So necessarily there's not any reason to open the second one. But this is the consecutive matching gun to that one right there. We will have both these out hopefully later this week. Hopefully she gets us out even maybe today so that people can check it out it's a cool one. It's a cool set. It's not one that's going to last very long. If you have any questions, you can always call us here at the shop at Top Guns. That's 812-299-4867. Easy way to remember that is 812-299-GUNS. All right? You can call and ask for Dave or Alex. We can gladly talk you through this. We can ship nationwide. We will have these again, hopefully by the end of this week when they post this video. So, guys, we will talk to you soon. We'll bring some other cool stuff to you as soon as we get it. Literally, we just got this in through FedEx 5 minutes ago. It's not even logged in yet. We just wanted to make a video to kind of look at them first before anybody else did. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have anything else to comment, let us know. See ya.